The six trigonometric ratios. Arithmetic is concerned mainly with the study of structure, operation and application of whole numbers and the positive rational numbers, whether in the form of fraction, decimal, or percent. Algebra is concerned with the study of the variables represented by letters and the operations relating these variables. Advanced definition of algebra. Algebra from Arabic al-jabar, meaning reunion of broken parts, is the branch of mathematics concerning the study of the rules of operation and relation and the structures and concepts arising from them, including terms, polynomials, equation, and algebraic structures. Father of algebra, Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarazmi, was a 9th century Persian Muslim mathematician and astronomer. He is known as the father of algebra, a word derived from the title of his book Kitab al-Zabar. Trigonometry, a branch of mathematics that studies triangles and the relationship between the lengths and their sides and the angles between those sides. The word trigonometry comes from the Greek word for triangle, trigonon, and measure metron. The word trigonometric. Father of trigonometry, Hipparchus of Nicaea. Hipparchus was a Greek astronomer who lived between 1990 and 120 BC. He is considered the father of trigonometry, a branch of mathematics which studies the angles of side of triangles. Concept: triangle, a polygon with three vertices, three sides which are line segment. Trigonometric ratio, a ratio that describes a relationship between a side and an angle of a triangle. Adjacent side, the side next to the reference angle in a right triangle. Opposite side, the side across the reference angle in a right triangle. Hypotenuse triangle. Hypotenuse, the longest side of a right triangle, always opposite to the 90-degree angle in a right triangle. Right triangle, in which an angle is a right angle. SOHCAHTOA, a min- mnemonic used for remembering the equation. Mnemonic, a tool used to help remember fact or large amount of information. Sine, cosine, and tangent. The main function in trigonometry are sine, cosine, and tangent. There are simply one side of a right angle triangle divided by another for any angle theta. Sine, cosine, and tangent are often abbreviated to sine, cos, and tan. Sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. And this is the illustration. And the longest side is the hypotenuse. And the second line is the adjacent. And the shortest line is the opposite. So sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cos theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan theta opposite over adjacent. Other other functions: cotangent, secant, cosecant. Similar to sine, cosine, and tangent, there are three other trigonometric functions which are made by dividing one side by another. Example, cosecant function equals cosecant theta equals hypotenuse over opposite. Secant function, secant theta equals hypotenuse over adjacent. Cotangent function equals cot theta equals adjacent over opposite. Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. C squared equals E squared plus B squared. Pythagorean theorem of sums is often referred to as the first pure mathematician. Greek philosopher, mathematician, and discovered the Pythagorean theorem.